So next packet tracer is implementing a subnetted v6 addressing scheme. Okay. Email. Okay, we'll also have completion score. Okay. Okay. So in this packet tracer, we have the addressing table for R1 and R2. So obviously, we did not need the V4 address. So I have the V6 address. So it's a blank. The link local address for R1. Okay. And for R2. Okay, it is auto configuration for hosts. So for objectives is for part 1. So for part 1, we have determine the v6 subnets and addressing scheme. And part 2 is configure the v6 addressing on routers and PC and verify connectivity. So scenario, your network administrator wants you to assign 5/64 v6 subnets to the network shown in the topology. Your job is to determine the v6 subnets, v6 addresses to the routers, and set the PCs to automatically receive v6 addressing. The final step is to verify connectivity between v6 hosts. Set the PC. We're using BGP. Automatic. So part 1 is, let's see, assign v6 addresses. So part 1 is determine the v6 subnets and addressing scheme. So step 1 is determine the number of subnets needed. Okay, so start with the v6 subnet 201 db8 ACAD 0068 concall/64 and assign it to the R1 LAN attached to gigabit Ethernet 0/0. So as shown in the subnet table. For the rest of v6 subnets, increment this 64 subnet address by 1 and complete the subnet table with the v6 subnet addresses. Okay. So I think this is subnet by 1. Subnet address by 1. So OC8, so it should be OC9, then OCA, OCB, and OCC. Right. Okay. Step 2 is assign IPv6 addressing to the routers. So assign the first IPv6 address to R1 for the 2 LAN links. And first v6 address to R2 for the 2 LAN. So assign the second v6 to the 1 link. So document the v6 addressing scheme in the addressing table. Part 2 is configure the v6 addressing on routers and PC and verify connectivity. Okay, so I think we just finished the handbrake. Configure the v6 addressing on routers and PCs and verify connectivity. Step 1 is configure the routers with v6 addressing. So this network is already configured with some v6 commands that are covered in later course. At this point, your studies, you only need to know how to configure v6 address on an interface. So configure R1 R2 with the IPv6 addresses specified in addressing table. Activate the interfaces. The link local. So it should have. Okay, we will use the DHCP and verify. Okay, we'll just need to configure the R1, R2. Okay. So I think on R1 already configured the let's see. Enable config. So we will be using this IP address, and then the link local for R1, and R2 is for FT. So based on the requirement, we just increment the subnet ID. Okay, so C9 interface 30/0, or it is already configured. Let's see. View show IP interface. Okay, we have an assigned pala. So interface 30/0, IPv6 address would be this one here. Then IPv6 link local, the IPv6 address this one, link local, no shutdown. Next is interface 30/1. So IP address for that one is should be 9. Wait. Okay. So I think I have a mistake there. Let's see. Exit. Interface 30/0. So I have a mistake here. Should be 1. Okay. In the IPv6 link local, I think we're done. Interface 0/1. So we have an IP address of 9. Then our link local address. Then our shutdown. So next for R2, no, for the one link. So I've assigned the V6. The one link is so 9 ABC. Interface 0/0/0, IPv6 address. No. So should be C. No, 9 ABC. Then there's no link local address for. Where is it? Okay, we also have a link local address. There no shutdown. So next is for the R2. Enable config T. Interface 0/1. No, the 0 first. We have IPv6 address would be 1. But this is for this is A. Okay. Starlink local is IPv6. This one. Then link local. Now shut down. Okay. Next is for interface C0/1. We need to use this address, letter B. Okay. Now shut down the link local address. Then now shut down. Okay. Next is the interface. Interface 0/0/0. Type address would be C. And I think this is the second. No. Second usable. Okay, second usable. So I have 2. Then the link local address. Then now shut down. Okay. Then for all the PCs, we will assign the HCP. Okay. What? The HCP failed. How can we dynamically assign it? Let's see, how can we okay. sorry. We should have the auto config. Okay. Sorry. Auto config for V6. Sorry. So I think that's it for our PT activity. The implementing a subnetted V6 addressing scheme.